Hello, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. This video message is a part of the series of video messages to teach you how to start a 501c3 nonprofit organization from scratch. The title of this video message is Starting Nonprofits, Step Number 5, Qualitative Objectives. Qualitative objectives describe the behavioral changes that people will show as a result of participating in the services provided by nonprofit organizations. The behavioral changes are called outcomes when seeking grants. A qualitative objective example is students will show confidence in class when they learn to read. So when you write qualitative objectives, you are writing objectives that describe the behavior you believe your clients participating in your program will demonstrate after they complete your program. You will list those objectives. When you are applying for grant money, the request for proposal will ask you to list the outcomes. They won't ask you to list the behavioral changes. The request for proposal will ask you to list the outcomes. Outcomes are behavioral changes. So the grant funder is asking you to explain or to list the changes in behavior they can expect from people who participate in your program. They want to be sure that they are giving money to an organization that is going to provide or going to create, rather, behavioral changes, behavioral improvements. So, in this example, apparently, this is for a nonprofit organization that provides reading classes for students. So this qualitative objective is students will show confidence. That's a behavior in class when they learn to read, as opposed to not exhibiting confidence because they can't read. Normally, you want to write at least 3 qualitative objectives in your grant proposal or whenever you're applying for your 501c3 status. You want to always write qualitative objectives in your application packet to apply for 501c3 status as well. So, qualitative objectives are required to apply for 501c3 status, and qualitative objectives are required to apply for grant money. Again, I'm Susan Woods, and I started my own 501c3 nonprofit organization in 2006. I offered 2 programs underneath Comprehensive Community-Based Solutions Incorporated, which is the name of my nonprofit organization, over a 10-year period. Although I don't offer any programs underneath my nonprofit right now, I still maintain the status by filing my Form 990 information return each year so that if I ever want to offer programs again, I'm able to do that. I earned 3 nonprofit management certificates, one from Duke University, one from Wake Forest University, and one from Winthrop University. I'm also a 3-time graduate of Winthrop University in Rock Hill, South Carolina. I earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration, a Master of Arts in Teaching Business Education, and a Master of Business Administration degree. I teach in-person nonprofit classes and online nonprofit classes. I also complete the Form 1023 application for recognition of exemption for clients across the United States. I've been doing that since 2010, and to this date, I have completed 118 application packets, and I have a 100% approval rating from the IRS. So that means all of my clients thus far have earned their 501c3 status. If you would like to learn more about my services, please visit my website at www.trustsusanwoods.com. Thank you so much for completing or listening to this short Starting Nonprofits tutorial video message. I really appreciate your time. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a text message at 704-968-2769, or again, just visit my website at www.trustsusanwoods.com. And if you're ready to talk about starting your nonprofit organization, you can click on the reserve consultation link on my website. Again, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time.